Hey guys, 30-minute dinners. I've just become obsessed with them and come to the conclusion you don't need a whole lot of time to make dinner. And that's why I put together this 30-minute pepper steak. Came out absolutely incredible. Actually, I made it in 20 minutes. Let me show you how to do this. And once again, because it's 30 minutes, let's start our clock. So let's start by making our wonderfully delicious sauce, and I must add this sauce is super easy. What you need first is a thumb-sized ginger, and I'm going to add this to 2 cups of beef stock. A couple of tablespoons of brown sugar just to sweeten up our lives. A teaspoon of garlic powder. About a teaspoon of ground black pepper. 2 tablespoons or 1/8 of a cup of cornstarch, just to thicken things up. And last but not least, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using low sodium because I'm watching my sodium, but you can just use the regular. Give this a quick whisk. And we'll just set this aside. Next up, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil to a pan over medium-high heat. And I'm going to add in about a pound of sirloin that I've cut up fairly thin. You can ask your butcher to cut this up too, but I cut it myself. And remember, the better the cut, the better the dish. And we're going to fry this up in batches until it's a beautiful golden brown. This shouldn't take too long because it's sliced fairly thin. Now we've got a good color happening here. I'm just going to set this aside, and you don't want to overcook this, otherwise it's going to be like rubber. Now our beef is done. Let's work on our veggies. There are a couple of stalks of celery, and I'm just going to slice these up. I also have a red and green bell pepper, so I'm just going to go ahead and slice these up. Now I'm going to add a bit more oil to the pan, and you don't want to scrape this down or anything because you've got all kinds of wonderful flavors happening there. Now I'm going to add in my onions, celery, and those wonderful bell peppers. And we'll just stir and saute this until the point where they become tender crisp. I just love the color of this, guys. It's just beautiful. After a few minutes, the veggies are tender crisp, so I'm just going to give the sauce a stir here. Add it in. Oh, and this smells, just incredible. And we'll give this a stir and bring it to a boil. Now we have a boil happening here, and you can see it's beginning to thicken just by those bubbles. And I've said before, it smells incredible, and I've even had a taste test that tastes out of this world. Now let's add the beef back in. And don't forget those juices. Give it a stir until that sauce thickens up just a little bit. For that additional pop of freshness, just add in a bit of freshly squeezed lime. Now I said a bit, I mean about 2 tablespoons. Kill the heat and you are done, my friends. Oh, wow. And this is the actual time, guys. Can you believe it? About 19-20 minutes. Incredible. And there you have it, our actually less than 30-minute pepper beef. And you know what? You can also serve this up with some hot steaming rice, even some noodles, or if you really want to press the envelope, some mashed. Okay, time to dig in. Get a little bit of rice on here. Oh, just look at it. You know what? I'm not going to go into a whole detailed analysis here. I'm just going to say This is out of this world. It's incredible for a 20-minute dinner. You gotta make this. It's so good. Hey guys, we're back for our community time. And actually, it's hilarious because Coco here, he just seems to know. I mean, this isn't staged. I don't invite him up. He just jumps up. Okay, Dad, it's time for community time. Anyway, I just want to say a number of viewers have expressed that they really like the 30-minute recipe concept. Jason said he likes the one pan. He likes 30 minutes. They're all delicious recipes. So that's the direction from now on we really want to be taking in our community is 30-minute recipes, you know, kind of one pan, fast and easy. So let us know what you think, and plus some meal planning so you know what to have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you know, Friday, etc., etc. Also, I want to say my sources tell me around the May-ish type of thing, we're going to hit the 1 million mark, so we want to have some kind of celebration for that. So let us know what you would like to see go on so you can be part of it too. And if there's anything else you would like us to add to our community time here, just go ahead and I'll put it in. And I want to add too that we're taking a bit of a holiday here. We're going to head to Nova Scotia on Saturday. So if you have any friends there, please let us know and we'll give them a shout out. Going to be a great trip, lots of good food. We'll do some filming there and share some footage with you on that aspect. As always, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of fantastic recipes over there. We're working on menu planning there as well. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, stay safe and see you next time.